Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody fit and finds by the grace of Almighty. Now I am going to teach you how to use Countif. I think this video is very important if you want to improve your Excel skill. You see how we can use male and female. Countif, first bracket, then gender select, then comma, then inverted comma, start, then male, inverted comma, complete. First bracket. Male 6, female again Countif, then gender select, then comma, then inverted comma, then female, then first bracket. In total male 6, female 10. You see, total 16, total 16, total 16. Thank you everyone.